Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's listen and practice more and more for better result.
What's going on?
What's going on?
I was thinking the same.
I was thinking the same.
You didn't reply to my text.
You didn't reply to my text.
I am ready to do.
I am ready to do.
It's my turn to pay.
It's my turn to pay.
Okay. I will talk to you later.
Okay. I will talk to you later.
When will you be free?
When will you be free?
Say that again, I didn't hear you.
Say that again, I didn't hear you.
You can call me anytime.
You can call me anytime.
It's easier than you think.
It's easier than you think.
Will you be friend?
Will you be friend?
I can't believe what time it is.
I can't believe what time it is.
Sorry, I am a little busy today.
Sorry, I am a little busy today.
I felt much better.
I felt much better.
Just, let me know.
Just, let me know.
You are looking great.
You are looking great.
I didn't recognize you.
I didn't recognize you.
It's none of your business.
It's none of your business.
Is it close?
Is it close?
I am so excited, I can't wait.
I am so excited, I can't wait.
I need some help.
I need some help.
That's so funny.
That's so funny.
I don't want to argue with you.
I don't want to argue with you.
Maybe another time.
Maybe another time.
I couldn't sleep last night.
I couldn't sleep last night.
Don't waste your time.
Don't waste your time.
I haven't seen her.
I haven't seen her.
You must be joking.
You must be joking.
Just forget it.
Just forget it.
It's hard to guess.
It's hard to guess.
Did you get my call?
Did you get my call?
I never knew that.
I never knew that.
Where is it?
Where is it?
What time shall we meet?
What time shall we meet?
Let's take a photo.
Let's take a photo.
Can I borrow some money?
Can I borrow some money?
I just did it.
I just did it.
I am so tired today.
I am so tired today.
You didn't listen to me.
You didn't listen to me.
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible.
Did you get my point?
Did you get my point?
Thank you for the advice.
Thank you for the advice.
Please, say something.
Please, say something.
I found it.
I found it.
Be honest with me.
Be honest with me.
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
Take it from me.
Take it from me.
That was really difficult.
That was really difficult.
What time is it?
What time is it?
He's on another call.
He's on another call.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel, like, comment and share with your friends.